Students, in previous class, that is in class 1 of aliphatic amine, we discussed introduction, nomenclature and isomerism. So today in class 2, we discuss about the general methods of preparation. Discuss about general methods of preparation. There are so many methods of preparation of aliphatic and aromatic amine are there. We discuss one by one. The first method is reduction of nitrohydrocarbon. Mark that. The first method, reduction of nitrohydrocarbon. First method is reduction of nitrohydrocarbon. Nitrohydrocarbon easily reduced to corresponding amine in different way. There are three different ways are there. Let us discuss one by one. Bit one, catalytic reduction. Bit one is catalytic reduction. Primary amine easily prepared, aliphatic as well as aromatic amine easily prepared by the reduction of nitro compound. Mark that. If we select CH3, CH2, NO2 plus 3H2 in presence of catalyst, nickel or platinum or palladium, what happens? CH3, CH2, NH2 plus H2O, ethyl amine. It is 1 degree amine. It is nitroethane. Similarly, if we select nitrobenzene, its name is nitrobenzene. In presence of nickel, platinum, what happens? Aniline is formed. Aromatic amine or aniline is formed. It is the first subpoint, that is catalytic reduction. Next, second is reduction in presence of active metal and constant ratio. Mark that. The second point. What is the second point? Reduction with active metals and concentrated HCl. Aliphatic and aromatic amine also easily reduced from their corresponding nitro compound in presence of active metal like Sn, tin, zinc, iron in presence of concentrated HCl. Mark that equation. Mark equation. Plus 6 nascent H in presence of Sn/HCl. Similarly, here also mark that 6H in presence of Fe/HCl, Zn/HCl. Same nitroethane transfer to ethylamine, nitrobenzene transfer to aniline. It is the second sub-method of reduction of nitrohydrocarbon. Third sub-method is reduction with the help of lithium aluminum hydride. Mark that. The third sub-method, that is third sub-method, reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Mark that. Same thing is there, that is aliphatic as well as aromatic amine easily prepared by the reduction of corresponding nitro compound in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Mark that equation. We select nitroethane in presence of lithium aluminum hydride and a nitrobenzene in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. If we select nitroethane, ethylamine is formed. If we select nitrobenzene, aniline is formed. It is the first method of preparation of amine by reduction of nitroalkane or nitrohydrocarbon. Move to the second method. The second method is reduction of alkyl cyanide. Reduction of alkyl cyanide or alkane nitrile. The second method, that is reduction of alkyl cyanide or alkane nitrile. What is the statement? When alkyl cyanide or alkane nitrile reduce to form primary amine, aliphatic as well as aromatic, either catalytically or with chemically, with lithium aluminum hydride or in presence of sodium/ethyl alcohol. Mark the equation. If we select CH3CH2NO2 plus CH3CN plus 3H2 in presence of LiAlH4. What is the product? Here 2H, here 2H, CH3, CH2, NH2. Its name is methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile. Similarly, if we select phenyl cyanide, its name is phenyl cyanide or benzonitrile in presence of LiLH lithium aluminum hydride or sodium/ethyl alcohol. Product is benzyl amine. Its name is benzyl amine. Its name is ethyl amine. One important thing is that if this reduction is carried out in presence of sodium/ethyl alcohol, this reaction is known as Mendius reduction reaction. This reaction is known as Mendius reduction reaction. If the reduction of alkane nitrile or alkyl cyanide carried out in presence of lithium, in presence of sodium/ethyl alcohol, then it is known as Mendius reduction reaction. Important one for mark point of view. It is all about the second method. Then switch over to third method, that is reduction of alkyl isocyanide or carbylamine. Mark their third method. Reduction of alkyl isocyanide. Reduction of alkyl. Third method, alkyl isocyanide, or it is known as carbylamine. This method is meant for the preparation of 2-degree amine. This reduction of alkyl isocyanide gives secondary amine. Mark that. If we select methyl isocyanide, undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlH4, what happened? 1H here, 3H here, that is CH3, NH, CH3, that is a dimethyl amine, it is a 2-degree amine. Similarly, if we select a phenyl isocyanide, then in presence of LiAlH4, it gives CCH5, NH, CH3. That is, it is a methyl, it is a phenyl. Methyl, phenyl amine. This method is made for the preparation of 2-degree. Its name is methyl isocyanide. This method, its name is phenyl isocyanide. It is the third method. Next, switch over to the fourth method, that is hydrolysis of alkyl isocyanide. The fourth method is hydrolysis of alkyl isocyanide. Fourth method is hydrolysis of alkyl isocyanide. Otherwise also it is known as carbylamine. Carbylamine. What is the statement? The hydrolysis of alkyl isocyanide in presence of mineral acid leads to the formation of primary amine along with formic acid. Mark the equation. Methyl isocyanide, when undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid, one additional product is formed, that is CH3, NH, CHO. Again respond to hydrolysis in presence of acid. What happened? CH3, NH2 plus HCOOH. Its name is methyl amine, 1-degree amine. Its name is methyl isocyanide or methyl carbylamine. This is the fourth method, that is hydrolysis of alkyl isocyanide. Next, switch over to the fifth method. Next method is Hofmann ammonolysis. Next method, fifth method is Hofmann ammonolysis. What do you mean by ammonolysis? The process of addition of ammonia is known as ammonolysis. So here we add ammonia to alkyl halide. So primary amine easily prepared by the reaction of alcoholic ammonia and alkyl halide in a closed container and heating to 100 degrees Celsius. Mark that. If we select methyl iodide, reacts with alcoholic solution of ammonia at 100 degrees Celsius, HI, byproduct. What is the product? Methyl amine is formed. Its name is methyl iodide. Its name is methyl amine. It is an example of a nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction is an example of a nucleophilic substitution reaction because here the ammonia or amine behave as nucleophile due to the availability of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. Mark that. This methyl amine form again combine with another molecule of alkyl halide to form 2-degree amine. 2-degree amine again combine with another molecule of alkyl halide to form 3-degree amine, and finally to form quaternary ammonium salt. The product of the constituent, the reaction mixture form depends upon the ratio of the ammonia and alkyl halide. If excess of alcoholic ammonia is there, then main product is primary amine. On the other hand, if excess of alkyl halide is there, then main product is quaternary ammonium salt. Mark the equation. Once primary amine is formed, this primary amine again combines with a molecule of alkyl halide to form secondary amine. Secondary amine again combine with another molecule of alkyl halide to form tertiary amine. Tertiary amine form again combine with another molecule of alkyl halide to form a quaternary ammonium salt. Its name is methylamine. Its name is methylamine, 1 degree amine. Its name is dimethylamine, dimethylamine or 2 degree amine. Its name is trimethylamine, trimethylamine or 3 degree amine. Its name is quaternary ammonium salt, that is tetramethyl ammonium iodide. The important thing is that what is the main product form depend upon the percentage of availability. I repeat again, if excess of ammonia, alcoholic ammonia is there, main product is primary amine. On the other hand, if excess of alkyl halide is there, main product is quaternary ammonium salt. Aromatic amine, that is aniline, is not prepared in this method because aryl halide, that is phenyl chloride, phenyl bromide, phenyl iodide, not respond to nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next method is reduction of acid amide. Mark that. Method number 6 is reduction of acid amide. Next method is reduction of acid amide. What is the statement? Primary amine easily prepared. Primary amine easily prepared, aliphatic and aromatic, easily prepared by the reduction of corresponding acid amide with help of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium / ethyl alcohol. Mark that. If we select CH3CONH2 in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, what happens? Here 2H, CH3, CH2, NH2 plus H2O. Its name is acetamide. Its name is ethylamine. Similarly, if we select benzamide, C6H5NH2, its name is benzamide. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, what happens? Benzyl amine is formed. Its name is benzyl amine is formed. One important thing is that here parent and a daughter both possess same number of carbon atom. It is about reduction of acid amide. Next method is by Hofmann bromamide reaction or Hofmann degradation reaction. Next method, method number 7 is Hofmann bromamide reaction. Method number 7 by Hofmann bromamide. It is otherwise also known as Hofmann degradation reaction because here the daughter, that is amine, is formed having one carbon atom less than that of the parent one. What is the statement? When acid amide heated with bromine in presence of aqueous alkali, primary amine is formed having one carbon atom less than that of the parent one. It is an important reaction for stepping down for descending series in conversion aliphatic and aromatic. Mark that. Acid amide CH3CONH2 plus Br2 plus 4KOH aqueous 1. What is the form? Its name is acetamide. What is the form? Methylamine is the form having one carbon atom less. Its name is methylamine plus K2CO3 plus 2KBr plus 2H2. Similarly, if we select benzamide C6H5CONH2, Benzamide plus Br2 plus 4KOH aqueous warm. What is the form? Aniline is form CCH5NH2. Its name is aniline plus K2CO3 plus 2KBr plus 2H2. Mark that. Here parent one possesses 2 carbon atom, daughter one possesses 1 carbon atom. That's why otherwise also it is known as Hofmann degradation reaction. Next method is by Gabriel-Thalimide reaction. Is the important one for mark point of view. Next method, method number 8. That is by Gabriel-Thalimide reaction. Mark that. 8 by Gabriel-Thalimide reaction. What is the statement? When thalimide heated with alcoholic potassium thalimide is formed. Potassium thalimide again reacts with alkyl halide. Nitrogen substituted thalimide is formed finally. When it is undergoes hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid, primary amine, aliphatic amine is formed. Mark that. When thalimide heated with alcoholic potash, K combined with OH, remove as water, what is the form? Potassium thalimide is formed. Again it reacts with alkyl halide. What is the byproduct? Potassium bromide to form nitrogen substituted, that is N-methyl thalimide is formed when it is undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of mineral acid. Mark that. Here H, OH, again here H, OH. The main product is methyl amine plus thalic acid is formed. The byproduct, its name is thalic acid. Thalic acid. It is methylamine or 1 degree amine. It is thalimide. The most important thing is that in this method is meant for preparation of 1 degree aliphatic amine. Aromatic amine not prepared by this method because if we select aryl halide, it is not respond to nucleophilic substitution reaction. That aryl halide have no reaction with potassium thalimide. So this Gabriel thalimide reaction is meant for only preparation of 1 degree primary amine. Next method, method number 9, that is by skimmed reaction. Next method by skimmed reaction. It is also important for mark point of view. 9th method, that is by skimmed reaction. What is the statement of this one? When monocarboxylic acid heated with hydrazoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, primary amine is formed. Mark that. If you select acetic acid heated with hydrazoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, its name is acetic acid. Its name is hydrazoic acid. What happened? Methylamine CH3 NH2 plus N2 plus CO2. Its name is methyl amine, 1 degree amine. Similarly, if you select benzoic acid CCH5COOH, its name is benzoic acid. When heated with hydrazoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, aromatic amine or aniline is formed. Its name is aniline. plus N2 plus CO2. It is the skin reaction, that is from carboxylic acid. Next, the last method is ammonolysis of alcohol and phenol. Mark that. The last method number 10, that is ammonolysis of alcohol and phenol. Last method, ammonolysis of alcohol and phenol. What is the statement? When vapors of ammonia passed over alcohol, when vapor of ammonia passed over alcohol in a closed container in presence of alumina at 300 degrees centigrade, primary amine is formed. Mark the equation. Methyl alcohol heated with ammonia in presence of alumina at 300 degrees Celsius. What is formed? Methyl amine is formed. Its name is methyl amine. Its name is methyl alcohol. Similarly, if we select a phenol, when phenol heated with ammonia in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at 300 degrees Celsius, its name is phenol. Similarly, when phenol heated with ammonia in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at 300 degrees Celsius, mark that, OH is removed, minus H2O. What is the form? Aniline is formed. Aniline is formed. So these are some method of preparation of aliphatic and aromatic amine. So next class we discuss the physical and chemical properties of amine.